Snowfest is coming to the Charles F. Dodge City Center. Join us Saturday, December 2nd from 4 to 8 p.m. for Snowfest and a holiday tree lighting ceremony taking place at 601 City Center Way in Pembroke Pines. There will be reindeer games, shows, rides, special performances, meet and greet with holiday characters, Santa Claus, and snow. That's right, 75 tons of snow here in South Florida. Parking is free, and tickets for the snow area are $4 in advance and $5 the day of the event. You can pre-purchase snow area tickets at the following locations. Join us Saturday, December 2nd for Snowfest and a holiday tree lighting ceremony. This year at a new location, the Charles F. Dodge City Center, located at 601 City Center Way.